Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel recently delivered an unforgettable performance at his highly anticipated Freedom Street concert, captivating fans with hits after hits. His intro, video, and stage entrance were reminiscent of a legendary Michael Jackson moment, a true spectacle that set the tone for the night. Watch the video for yourself and let me know your thoughts. Do you think the show lived up to the hype and was a success? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Check out the video.
So right now, most of the people really put Vybz Kartel on the Watch the Vybz Kartel. Watch your side. Because you and me, it's too much style anymore. We have to go past your artist and go to that shoe that you want to do. Producer, they want the big money from Vybz Kartel. And then let me hear about the crazy artists. Like they want to kill my career. So Vybz Kartel always cutting edge in terms of lyrics and style. As I mentioned to us, the artists, reflection of life. When I reach there, we just watch the face of the cake safe and show it. In the AC, in my vehicle, AC in my house, AC on the plane and travel. The skin was smooth out and very lovely. Come to look. Wow. I cannot be what you want me to be or what he should or lady wants me to be. I have to be true to myself and just be that. It's me, a DJ farmer, I did the teacher.
As the DJ emerged from the premises, persons jeered the police saying Kartel should be freed. He was quickly whisked away by the police to an undisclosed location.
Victimz near the unanimous verdict, 6 were lost.
The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council has unanimously concluded that the appeals should be allowed and the appellant's convictions should be quashed.
Yes, Vybz Kartel is free from prison and was not a conviction for his prison. People. All right. People, you know where my father birth like. I have a brother with him, amen, Surfy, talk about things. Now, January 7th, 1976, Podmore, listen to me, my mother christened me, his mother name Teresa Wilson, his father name is Morrison, Grandpa he was born to go Mandela.
You know that?
You are Ireland. After 13 years, we made a road, and guess what? If you are Ireland, anyway, you see me at any given time. My proper money and the money. Look. No, money me and them and them not done for show me. But in the land for your house up as only. From the boy was some younger father. The name, no man do I be like. Look. All of the money we know say, when you can't pursue any rough situation, and come out on top, my body is the greatest. No? Oh, when Jamaica Massi, you know the thing of it. What? See that? Come here, baby.
I have to commend Vybz Kartel for delivering an impressive performance despite the challenging circumstances. The show overall was solid, production, everything, though the show was also impacted by some production issues caused by the organizers themselves. But nevertheless, we can remain hopeful for improvements in the future. So big respect to Vybz Kartel for his dedication and consistent hard work.
Like you own me, love you, love you, chrissy, love you, come for me. For me, I come and shut up, come force up.